Today we are going to study Surah Al-Imran, Ayah 142. After reading the ayah, we are going to study the word-by-word meaning along with its grammar. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. أم حسبتم أن تدخلوا الجنة ولما يعلم الله الذين جاهدوا منكم ويعلم الصابرين. أم or حرف عطف coordinating conjunction. الذين those who. اسم موصول masculine plural relative pronoun. من or from is a حرف جر or a preposition. kum or you is a ضمير متصل attached pronoun. منكم from you. kum this possessive pronoun is a second person masculine plural you. تدخلوا you enter. فعل مضارع present tense verb. These two suffixes added to the root letter indicate that this present tense verb is a second person masculine plural. N that. N belongs to adawat al-nasb. This particle makes the present tense verb in an accusative case. It means that when N precedes a present tense verb, for example, a second person masculine plural, it makes the verb lose its noon. تدخلون. If we take a present tense second person masculine plural, تدخلون, and we combine it with N, it becomes أن تدخلوا. أن تدخلوا. The word Jannah or paradise came after the verb enter or تدخلوا. الجنة paradise. For every verb there is a subject and an object that comes after the verb. This noun Jannah is the direct object al-maf'ul bih of the verb enter because it is a accusative noun ism mansoob. al-jannata ism mansoob accusative noun because the last letter of its letter root carries a fatha. جاهدوا they strive. فعل ماضي past tense verb. This suffix indicates that this verb is a third person masculine plural. الصابرين steadfast is a جمع مذكر السالم sound masculine plural. To create a sound masculine plural, we simply add the suffix ina to the last letter of the singular noun. The word as-sabirina, steadfast, came after the verb ya'lama. As-sabirina. For every verb, there is a subject and an object that comes after the verb. This noun, steadfast, is the direct object, al-maf'ul bih, of the verb ya'lama, because it is a ism mansoob, accusative noun. As-sabirina, steadfast, is an ism mansoob, accusative noun, because it carries the suffix ina at the last letter of its letter root.